Back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Happy Sunday. Guys, I'm up $6,310 on this ES futures contract. So we're going to do a full market recap right now, talk about the outlook for the week. And I'm going to talk to you about how I'm managing this trade as well as the option calls that I have. And we'll be doing the lifetime giveaway announcement. And I'm going to be talking a little bit about the Friday live trading. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. All right. Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. And then let's get into this trade. All right. So first thing, let's sneak into the hourly chart. This is futures. You can see we opened here, guys, and we are pushing to the upside. There's no gap that's significant, but we are rallying to the upside. So let's go ahead here and let me talk about this trade. Okay. And I want to share with you my plan. All right. So on one contract, guys, we went long right here at 47.54, and we're up. We go take the measuring tool, over 100 points. Okay, 130 points. 100 points on one contract is 5K. So this is one of my bigger winners of all time on futures. And now the question is, how do you protect your gains? Okay, how many times have you guys had a winner that became negative? Hit me with a 5 if that's happened to you before. So I'm going to show you here how I like to protect my profits. Okay. And there's going to be a balance because you're never going to be perfect, but you have to have some kind of mechanism. Okay. Otherwise you're just gambling. Okay. So let's start off first with this trade. I'll hit the replay button and let's go back in time here and let's go back to the outlook on the year. Okay. So if we start off here, guys, on the monthly chart. So let me just move these to the side. Okay. So this is where we were coming into the last week. Okay. And as you can see right here, guys, this is a potential once in a lifetime setup because there's no resistance above. Okay. There's nothing above. If you zoom out right here, guys, there's no resistance above. So this thing can squeeze as long as it wants. However, at some point, people are going to want to take profits. So you have a delicate balance. So for example, when I was buying down here, now people are up double, triple their money, 4 times their money. So they're going to want to take some profits. So the question is, how do you manage that? Okay, so I'm here on the 4-hour chart. So first of all, let's start with the setup. Okay, and let's talk about how we actually entered the trade and let's talk about the initial risk. Okay, so I'm going to go here. And I'm going to just put on the full Fibonacci's, okay? And I'm going to hop into the Discord. And we started off in the Fibonacci Dragon setups. All right. So this was the original setup here. See if I can find it. Right here. So here was the filled and here was the setup, okay? Yes. I think I'm looking at the right one. Yeah. Okay, so initially, guys, this was our setup. Let's talk about the setup itself. Okay, let's talk about the setup. All right, so what pattern do we have here? So we're pushing down, we're starting to pull back, and we end up right here on the 618, right there. Okay, so let's stop. So first question is, what is the setup? What are we trading here? Well, if we look here, guys, to the left, this right here was the reason I took this trade. Because we originally had a pullback on the Fibonacci right here, a small one right on the 618. So this piqued my interest because it looked like an algorithm had loaded up near the lows at 47.16, 47.20 area. So from there, this starts to build the dragon formation, which starts off from the low to the high, the pullback, the new completion, and it ends on the 618. Okay, hit me with the 10 if you're following me. So right there, this is the pattern I told you guys that I'll be focusing on the most this year. It is the Fibonacci Dragon. It's a pattern that I've been developing, and this year I'm going full power on it. Okay, and why I like it is because it already has a Fibonacci that traded. Okay, so meaning this leg already traded. So it's giving me a little bit extra confidence that the bullish direction is in play because I could already see that it was in play in this case back in January. Okay. So now let's talk about the risk. So you may be asking, Rich, what about all these lines? What about all of these lines? What are all these lines? 10%, 214, 280, 380, 250. What are these lines here? Does anybody know? What are these lines? So my entry, guys, is always just the 618. That's it. That's my entry. However, these other lines are great targets on the way back up, and it's also great for stop loss. Okay, so in this trade, what you see, if I double click on here, you can set your risk here. So let's say $2,000, and you can see right here with an entry on the 618 and a stop loss on the 90, I needed right around one contract. So that's why I took one contract. So my initial risk on this trade was roughly $2,000. If I lost this trade, so if it, from the entry to the stop loss, if it touched my stop loss right there, I would have lost $2,000. Okay, hit me with the 4 if you're following me. So that's the initial setup, one contract. So it's risking roughly 40 points. All right, so here we go. We get filled. So here's our fill. So wait, let me find the fill here, guys. There it is. Sorry. So here's the 618 filled. Okay, so right here. So this is what we're looking at. And this is Wednesday, the 17th of January. So there's our fill. And then we start to turn the corner. Okay, so let's watch this together. And then we turn the corner again. So let's watch this together. So in the Discord, I'm calling this out live. Okay, boom. We turn the corner. Bang, bang, boom. Okay, so what should we do from this point right here? What should we do? So in this style of trading, guys, I did 2 trades. So I'm going to go over to SPY now. Okay. So I'm here on the hourly for SPY. And right here, I'm going to hit the replay. This right here, my friends, is the same 618 setup. So if I go low to high, there's the same 618. Okay. So let's hop in here now. And let's go into the Discord, Dragon SPY Lottos. So this is where we took the long right here. So I said right here, guys. So futures and calls are killing it. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, here we go. Filled 472 calls, January 26 expiry. So one strike out the money, 2 weeks out. And I got them roughly around 380, guys. And you can see right here, they went to 10, and at the end of Friday, they're actually above 11. Okay, so let's take this right now. Let's take a screenshot. Actually, let's take this one right here, and let's put it on the chart. And I'm going to show you guys how I deal with my risk. Okay, so here we go. So these calls, bought them at 380. All right, they were over 11. So here's the thing now. How should we manage it? What do you guys think? Should we aggressively manage the options, or should we aggressively manage the futures? Which one? Which one do you think, guys? Which one has the most risk? Hit me with the 1 for futures, hit me with the 2 for options. Which one do you think has the most risk? Okay. Yeah, I see you, Anthony. What's going on? Outlaw. Yes. Futures has more risk. Okay. Because it's margin. With options, whatever I put in, that's what I can lose. But with futures, I'm in margin here, guys. I need to be smart. I can't play around. So what do? Bang, stop loss to break even. Done. Move on. So if the trade wants to work, I'm in risk-free mode. Okay. And then you can see here, guys, bang, 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 boom. And we squeeze right through. So let me just fast forward to now. So what I'm doing right now is this is the breakout candle. So whenever you're trailing, look for the breakout candle. The candle with the big, powerful bar that breaks into new highs. So here's the new highs. Here's the highs. Here's the break. Okay. So right here, this is double my money. So this is going to guarantee me $4,000 on this trade. I'm going to put my stop loss right on the 2X, which is pretty close to the low of that candle. It's not exact, but I want to guarantee myself at least $4,000. So out of the 6,310, at least 4,000 will be guaranteed. Hit me with the 7 if that makes sense. However, on SPY, we'll fast forward. I am holding it until next Friday, whatever happens. Okay, this Friday coming, whatever happens, happens, because I'm not margin. I'm not on margin. I'm not on anything like that. And I'm willing to lose that premium for the potential of gapping up like crazy. Okay. All right. So really and truly, my outlook on this, guys, if we close the daily chart, let's go to MES so we can see the chart. My honest outlook on that this can be, so it's taking too long to load here, the weekly. Okay, so my honest here, look at this. Let me just remove these drawings. Look at this. If you saw this on a 5-minute chart, what would you think? Would you think this is going 1 for bullish, 2 for bearish? I'll tell you my honest opinion. My honest opinion is nobody knows. All right, so no one knows if this is going to just continuously rip or if this is going to be a fake out. Okay, but what I did is I took the ability of getting in on that 618 to make sure that I get the best possible deal. So that's all I can do. Sorry, guys, that's got to be my, I'm traveling right now, so I'm using my hotspot. Forgive me, guys. Hit me with a 4 if you can hear me okay. Am I back? Hit me with a 5 if you can hear me. Sorry about that, guys. I am traveling again, so in these hotels, for some reason, the Wi-Fi is so bad, I just end up using my hotspot. Usually my hotspot is pretty good. Like I got a really good one, but today it's just acting up. So I apologize for that. But anyways, what I was trying to say here, guys, is that we are in a danger zone, meaning it's not easy to buy at the highs. And that's why I buy it. That's why I buy the pullback. I'm not going to buy up here. No matter what, guys, I will not buy up here. Buying up here is dangerous. I could blow up my account very easily if I get up here and then I start to double down and then I start to feel emotional. I can easily blow up my account. I took the first risk of buying on this red pullback. That is where the risk will be for me, because I know if I'm wrong, I'm going to lose a little bit, but if I'm right, I can make a lot. Okay, so what I'm going to do is progressively trail my stop loss higher and higher and higher. Okay, hit me with a 4 if that all makes sense. Okay, all right, guys. So on Friday of last week, we did a live streaming session, and we day trade live together, and I just want to show you guys that. So I'm actually just using one micro contract to show you guys how you can risk $5 a point, okay? Because I know a lot of you have small accounts, so I'm just showing you how to use the micros, because the micro you can risk just $5 a point. So it's not like what I'm doing right now on futures, which is $50 a point. So let's just right here, I just want to show you guys one, boom. So go ahead and leave a comment on this video right now, okay? And we're going to be doing the giveaway, okay? What's up, everybody? Welcome. Pause this right now. I'm going to link this in here. Go ahead and leave a comment on that. So I know a lot of you attended it and not a lot of you liked it. So we ended up going to break even on this trade, okay? So this trade was a break even trade. I took a short and I moved the stop loss to break even and we got trailed out, all right? So go ahead and leave a comment on this post. And I'll actually be picking a winner on this post for tomorrow because my internet's sucking right now. So go ahead and leave a comment there. Hit me with a 2 if you guys have saw this video already. And what I'm going to do right now is just do the lifetime giveaway winner. Okay. So the lifetime giveaway winner is Corey Highlander. Okay, Corey, thank you so much for commenting on the post. And I'm going to be doing another lifetime this week as well. So please don't feel discouraged if you didn't have a chance to win or to enter. Follow the Twitter and just all you got to do is comment for a chance to win lifetime. Okay, comment, like, read the guide. And Corey, you are the winner. Email me rich@tradingwars.com. I'll get you your lifetime access into the room where we do these swing trades every single week, as long as there's good opportunities. Okay. All right. And then for you guys tomorrow, I'll probably either be live tomorrow or Tuesday. So leave a comment on this and I'll be picking somebody. All right. Okay, guys, that's it. Check me out at tradingwars.com. As always, for those of you that want to learn more about futures, I actually have a PDF on my website where you can actually read, okay, and just learning about it. So whenever you are using margin, guys, there's risk. I want you to know that. But if you really want to grow your capital, sometimes you have to take risk. If you don't take risk, how are you going to make money? Okay, so but make sure you understand what you're doing and do not. As always, check me out, tradingwars.com, guys. Right here, this is the Fibonacci Society. This is where we do all of our swings. And this is where we called out the Dragon Law, which is the SPY. And then the Fibonacci Dragon is the actual futures trade. And we're doing a lifetime deal right now, guys. So if you buy the book, it's $149.99, and it comes with lifetime access to the Discord. Check me out at tradingwars.com if you're interested. And right here, guys, you can get the day trading room for $50 a month if you're interested. Otherwise than that, I'm going to wrap it up here. And I'm going to give you guys more updates throughout the week on how I plan to manage this trade. And just keep it simple and just incrementally move up that stop loss every time I see a good big body candle. All right. Thanks for your time, guys. Hit me with a like on the way out. Live streaming this Friday again. Okay. Have a great day.